as a brand manager, you are supposed to do market research. You're supposed to have one-to-one interaction with the customer. You're supposed to analyze what are the problems with the customer, how. As a brand manager, you are supposed to do market research. You're supposed to have one-to-one interaction with the customer. You're supposed to analyze what are the problems with the customer, how, or some HCL or some tech company where you are B2B and you are dealing with just selling your softwares across. So here I would say that operations work can be done through AI, so that will have an effect. AI is going to have an effect, is going to be a very minimal effect. अच्छा ही होगा. Why? Because now all the demand research that you are doing, you contact with the user, you have undertaken any problem with the customer, वो सब better हो रहा है because there human interaction चाहिए. Better क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि AI में अब नहीं होगा. That's going to be a low effect. Why? Because you are dealing with high-end customers, high-end clients. You have the knowledge, right? You are, high value transactions हो रहे हैं, wherein recommendations and understanding is required on human brain. So that is why यहाँ पे low effect है. But अगर मैं back end तो आप उनको initial startup तो AI मना कर देगा. उसके बाद ही जो understanding है of AI, that requires human brain and that is required for, that will not have much effect. तो इसमें combination है. There's a moderate effect. Combination and why? Because initial filtration can be one of the jobs that might get affected by 2030. So if you are smart enough, if you are intelligent enough, आप अपने आप को उस हिसाब से अपग्रेड कर लोगे. You are not supposed to just move your job. You're not supposed to change your entire. So these are the roles. We talk about marketing, we talked about consulting, we talk about HR roles, we talk about product. You have spoken about finance. So make your choice wisely when you are choosing your specialization, also keeping in mind what all upgradations you need and how. Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking about AI versus MBA. So is AI going to take all the jobs of MBA students? How and what is going to be the impact? So if you are doing a normal sales, marketing or finance roles, if you are in that sphere, or if you are in MBA doing an MBA and choosing these streams and not AI, then are your jobs going to die? So this is the basic question and a very big fear in most of students' minds, that क्या हमारी AI हमारी जो jobs हैं, जो हम actually we don't have it right now but we're applying for it, or we are anticipating कि हमारी job towards the end of the second year लग जाएगी. So are we not enough just with the skills? So today I will be talking about what all are the areas and what is going to be the impact in that specific area, right? So first of all, I'm going to start with touching the sales and marketing roles. Now, when we talk about sales and marketing में, तो अगर आप choose करते हैं in your as a brand manager, तो यहाँ पे I think there won't be much of effect of the AI impact. नहीं होगा. Why? Because as a brand manager, you are supposed to do market research. You're supposed to have one-to-one interaction with the customer. You're supposed to analyze what are the problems with the customer, how to come to a solution to a product, right? And हम उस चीज़ को कैसे अच्छा बनाएं. और तभी हम नॉर्मल सेल्स में उतरते हैं, मार्केटिंग में रीच में उतरते हैं, और फाइनली हम मार्केट में पहचानते हैं कि हमारा क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, हम प्रोडक्ट को कैसे बेटर बनाएं, ब्रांड को कैसे बिल्ड करें. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज कमिंग अंडर ब्रांड मैनेजर. सो यहाँ पर ह्यूमन टच की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. AI क्या ही कर लेगा? कैन AI गो टू कस्टमर्स एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट प्रोडक्ट जो भी तुमने दिए? नो. सो हियर इन देयर विल नॉट बी मच ऑफ इफेक्ट. बल्कि अपग्रेड ही होगा. नाउ देयर विल बी मोर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मैनेजर, इन द सेंस दैट नाउ ब्रांड मैनेजर की एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी कि आप यूज़ करें, AI को यूज़ करें और उससे आप रिपोर्ट्स जनरेट करें, उससे आप बेटर मॉडल्स बनाएं. प्रोटोटाइप जो बनाते हैं वो अब आपका प्रोटोटाइप AI ही बना देगा. सो उसका अब देन उसके बाद अंडरस्टैंड करें कि मार्केट का क्या इम्पैक्ट है, मार्केट का क्या इन्फ्लुएंस है, और हाउ आर दे लाइकिंग द प्रोडक्ट और नॉट. what is the taste of the market right now according to the prototype. So इसमें आपकी AI के आने से आपका better ही हुआ है for a brand manager and no loss as such. For a marketing manager, if you're doing B2B business, you know, you are dealing in a software company, you are in a Google or in Microsoft or some HCL or some tech company where you are B2B and you are dealing with just, selling your softwares across. So here I would say that operations work can be done through AI. So that will have an effect. AI is going to have an effect on the jobs that are done here in the sales and marketing industry. Okay, so अगर आप brand manager हैं, be cool, okay. But if you are somebody who's doing B2B business, here most of the tasks, arranging for KPIs and understanding what the entire workflow would be, वो सब AI कर रहा है. So that is going to be affected. Next, you have the HR roles. Now, HR roles को अगर मैं divide करूँ in recruitment, in training, all of this can be done by AI. So अगर कोई manager is affected, is a part of recruitment process or is part of screening process and a part of training process, yes, that will be affected because that scrutiny that can easily be done by AI. ठीक है, initial जो हम screening of candidates करते हैं, आप उसके अंदर डालिए, उसके अंदर आप resumes डालिए and that will suggest कि कौन सा आपके काम के लिए अच्छा है और कौन सा affect, मतलब कौन सा candidate is good for your work and which candidate is not that good for your work. So if you are in that role, yes, AI will have effect on your job. But if you are in a role like labor relations or for that matter business partner, so उसमें क्या है, आप एक bridge हो between the management and your labor. So in that scenario, if there is any problem with the labor और आपके employees को कुछ leave से बात, compensation related problem है, leave से related problem है, कोई और issue है, तो उसमें एक human effect ज़रूर चाहिए. So यहाँ पर definitely AI will have no role to play and your jobs are secure here. Okay, now coming on to product roles. So product role में अगर मैं product management की बात करूँ, so there's going to be a very minimal effect. अच्छा ही होगा. Why? Because now all the demand research that you are doing, you contact with the user, you have undertaken any problem with the customer, वो सब better हो रहा है because there human interaction चाहिए. Better क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि AI में आप use कर सकते हो आप AI को to give better results. ठीक है, making prototype and as we spoke before. But अगर आप product analyst हो, यहाँ पे क्या है, as an analyst, you whatever job that you are doing, you are doing with numbers. If you are doing only with numbers and not making any recommendation, तो वो number वाला काम तो आपका AI भी कर देगा. So therefore यहाँ पे as a product analyst, your job is at risk. And अगर आप उसको upgrade कर सकते हैं as a product manager, then that is good for you. Because now जो काम है numbers वाला वो AI कर देगा और जो recommendations है वो product manager कर देगा. तो आपका product analyst का जो काम है, that is going to be affected. So if you are good enough to switch your role to a product manager, then that is good for you and you will not be in a position to lose your job. Then we have consulting, another category that we have consulting. Now यहाँ पे अगर आप consulting partner हैं, then it is good for you because यहाँ पे the domain knowledge अगर जो है वो आपके पास बहुत अच्छी है, expertise आपके पास अच्छी है, तो AI आपको ज़्यादा affect नहीं करेगा. But अगर आप consultant हैं for 2 and 3 years into this line, so यहाँ पे there's going to be a moderate impact. Why? Because we have seen layoffs, we have seen that the teams जो एक consultant partner के अंदर 2-3 और consultant होते थे जो उसकी help करते थे, that is the team that is going leaner. So वहाँ पर लोग कम होते जा रहे हैं because यहाँ पे अब AI का effect ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So all the preliminary research that a consultant used to do, वो सब अब AI कर पा रहा है. So here consulting, yes, it is at a risk. Now the last role that I'm going to talk about to understand the effect is the finance. Now if you are as an investment role, investment banking role है, अगर front end role है, then वहाँ पे effect ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. That's going to be a low effect. Why? Because you are dealing with high-end customers, high-end clients. You have the knowledge, right? You are, high value transactions हो रहे हैं, wherein recommendations and understanding is required on human brain. So that is why यहाँ पे low effect है. But अगर मैं back end investment banking की बात करूँ, yes, that is going to be affected, because again at a back end job you are building models that can easily be done by AI. So यहाँ पे if we back end investment roles, yes, they are going to be affected. So if you are smart enough, you try to shift your focus from back end to front end roles, so that you have more interaction with the clients, and AI cannot interact with the client. AI cannot know what are the needs of the client. So if you are interacting with the client, your job is in safe hands. Then you talk about private equity, there is going to be not much effect, because you have high decision making and high value. So that is done by human brain. So that will come with experience. So not much effect here. Now when we talk about financial analyst, yes, यहाँ पे high effect रहेगा. Why? Because you are again dealing with numbers. If you are making a recommendation post your analysis, then you are still in demand, you are still required. But अगर वो recommendation भी AI कर पा रहा है, then your job is at risk, right? Then we talk about venture capitalist roles. Here you are going to have a moderate impact. Why? Because you are evaluating with AI, you are filtering with AI all the initial startups जो हैं, you know that they are not going to be very well. तो आप उनको initial startup तो AI मना कर देगा. उसके बाद की जो understanding है of AI, that requires human brain, and that is required for, that will not have much effect. तो इसमें combination है. So there is a moderate effect. Combination and why? Because initial filtration can be done through AI, but post that point to actually understand if it's going to be successful or not, वहाँ पे human brain is required, and AI will not have much role to play. Then equity research analyst, again it is at risk, because यहाँ पे भी आप जो भी आप मॉडल्स लगा रहे हो, जो भी आप रिपोर्ट्स बना रहे हो for that company, that is can easily be done through AI. So AI can make recommendations through equity research, you know. They can now create what is happening. Now पहले क्या होता था, you are doing that research, and you as a human being cannot be updated with whatever is happening around the globe, or whatever changes that are happening that might have effect on equity share prices. But now we have AI, wherein they can accommodate what is ever is happening across the globe in minutes, in seconds, and they have live update. They have live update on how to, you know, make that job better by suggesting what live suggestions are there. So क्योंकि वो सब real time में हो रहा है, so that real time cannot be replicated by a human brain. They will take some time, and they will take some time to accommodate that change as well. So herein that a job of an equity research analyst is, yes, is at risk. So overall, you need to understand where you are right now. If you are at a secure position, then that is good for you. But if you are not at a secure position, you need to upgrade yourself. You know, most of the 80% of the jobs that, you know, might get affected by 2030. So if you are smart enough, if you are intelligent enough, आप अपने आप को उस हिसाब से upgrade कर लोगे. You are not supposed to just move your job. You're not supposed to, you know, change your entire stream of work. What you're going to do is you are going to upgrade through AI to AI in your area only. How in your field, in your stream, how AI is going to affect your stream. Choose that particular area and upgrade yourself, and then apply it in the market, because now we are going to have new roles, and that is also discussed in one of the videos that I'm going to make, that I've made. So usme bhi we have spoken about what new roles are coming in, and how you can, remaining in your own field, upgrade yourself and not be at risk of losing your job. Okay, so these are the roles. We've talked about marketing, we've talked about consulting, we've talked about HR roles, we've talked about product, we've spoken about finance. So make your choice wisely when you are talking about, when you are choosing your specialization, also keeping in mind what all upgradations you need and how you're going to be affected with AI. So my concluding remarks would be, add yourself, add knowledge, because this is the same situation as we had in 2000 when, you know, IT took over. तो वहाँ पे भी जो इंसान अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर पाया, they existed quite for a very long time. So this is very initial stages, a very initial wave of AI. So upgrade yourself to the new jobs that are coming, and you will be okay, and you will be perfect. Okay, so I am creating more such videos and content. So if you like my video and you want to see more such content, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.